Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the blank settings screen and then act fast. Open Task Manager and end the settings process to free resources. Next, run services. MSC as an administrator so you can control update services directly. Stop the Windows Update service and the background intelligent transfer service. This prevents file locks while you repair. Once done, keep services. MSC open so you can restart them later, and make sure you have administrative rights, otherwise the fixes won't apply. With services stopped, you clear the update cache to remove corrupt data. Navigate to see /Windows/software distribution and delete the contents, not the folder, and also reset the cat root to folder. These stores often cause blank settings pages. Next, run dism to repair the component store and then sfc to fix system files, because missing or corrupted files can break the settings UI. Make sure commands complete without errors. If a step fails, note the error for the final troubleshooting tip. Now you restart the services you stopped earlier, Windows Update and bits. Then reboot the PC so changes fully apply and cached UI states clear. After login, open Settings right arrow Update and Security to verify the update pane loads normally. If it's fixed, you're done. If not, create a new administrator account and test settings there to check for profile corruption, because a damaged user profile often causes a blank screen. If that still fails, revert to safe mode and repeat the cache and repair steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.